If you are watching this YouTube video right now, that probably means you're feeling a little bit lost in life at the moment. Maybe you're not sure which path to take, or you're not sure which decision you should be making and what's the correct thing for you. Don't worry, I am right there with you. As a business owner, my day is filled with decisions, and it can be really confusing and frustrating at times when you're not 100% sure on something. So this EFT tapping is gonna help calm you down a little bit so you can get more clear on what to do. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a visualization to help you connect with your future self, or what some people would call your higher self, your intuition, to make that choice a little bit more clear for you. So make sure to watch to the end. And if you've never tried EFT tapping before, don't worry, it's super simple. All you have to do is tap where you see me tap and repeat after me. This works with the energy meridians in your body and helps calm down your amygdala, that little part in your brain that's in charge of fight, flight, or freeze. It's probably feeling a little bit of freeze right now if you're stuck between two different things and feeling lost. So we're gonna help calm down that amygdala. I'm gonna put some powerful affirmations into your subconscious, and like I said, that visualization will be at the end for you. But let's get tapping. So just take your dominant hand, lightly tap, and repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling a little bit lost in life right now, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm not sure what to do next, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm feeling frustrated and a bit of anxiety, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Life would be so much easier if someone just gave me a map. Who decided that I'm supposed to make all of the decisions? I'm afraid of making the wrong one, of effing everything up. What if I make a mistake? What if I choose the wrong one? All of this worry, all of this stress, all of this frustration. Life can feel so hard at times. But I've been at a crossroads before. I've had to make many decisions in my life at this point. Some of them really big, but some of them have been pretty easy. Like what I want to wear today, or what I want to eat for breakfast, or which Starbucks latte I want to drop $6 on. What makes those decisions so easy, but this one feels so complicated? Maybe I'm not actually lost at the moment. Maybe I'm just struggling to trust myself. Because if I'm being honest, I've done pretty okay in life so far. My decisions have led me to where I am now. And now feels pretty good. And even when I made the wrong decision, it still worked out in the end. That relationship that wasn't right for me showed me what I don't want when it comes to love. That job that I started that I very quickly wanted to end, again, taught me valuable lessons and led me to where I am right now. So maybe I can't make the wrong decision. As Bob Ross says, there's no mistakes, just happy little accidents. So if I couldn't mess this up and there was no wrong decision, what would I do? What would be my next step? If I already knew the right answer, what would it be? Now that I'm starting to trust myself, I truly love and accept myself. Now that I'm starting to feel more calm, I truly love and accept myself. Now that I know I can't F up this life, I truly love and accept myself. And know that it's all gonna be okay. That I'm always being guided. All of the forces of good on this planet are supporting me. And it is safe to trust myself. And so it is. Okay, take a deep breath in. Let it go. How are you feeling now? Hopefully a little more calm. Maybe those affirmations we said, like it's safe to trust myself, have made you feel a little bit better about this whole situation. And maybe even you made a decision while we were going through that tapping. But if you haven't yet, I have a really quick visualization for you to try out to connect with your future higher self, your intuition, whatever you want to call it. And it's super duper simple. So all you're gonna do is close your eyes, take a deep breath in, let it go. A few more deep breaths in, let it go. And I want you to imagine a phone or a computer screen in front of you. And there's a video chat happening with your future self. What is your future self wearing? What does she look like? What does her energy feel like? Once you have a clear picture of your higher self in front of you on that screen, I want you to ask her for advice on whatever situation you're currently struggling to find the right path for. Ask her whatever you need to know going forward. Whatever pops into your head is the correct answer. And when you're ready, say thank you, higher self, for this guidance. Wave goodbye and open your eyes. So feel free to do that visualization again. Take a little bit more time with it. If you're new to visualization, it may be hard to see it at first. I promise it gets easier with practice. And you could also do this practice by writing literally the same exact idea. Close your eyes, get centered, and then write on a piece of paper, future self, what should I do about blah, 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 blah. And whatever comes through your hand is what the correct answer is for you. And hopefully the answer excites you. It makes you want to take action. It just feels right in your soul. And maybe you've been struggling to admit it to yourself because, again, You're afraid of making the wrong mistake. You're afraid of trusting yourself. But like we talked about in the tapping, you can't make a mistake. You can't F up this life. Because every single step you've taken up to this point has led you here. And you're exactly where you're supposed to be. So whatever choice you make going forward is the correct one for you. Some of them may be easier than others. Some of them may be more of a lesson instead of a blessing. But you can't F this up. You can't make a mistake you can't recover from. But I know how frustrating and hard it could be to be in this middle gray zone at the crossroads of what should I do? So again, go through this tapping if you need it. Do that visualization, really center in and ask yourself, what is correct for me? And then, as I like to tell my clients, follow the fun. And if you would like a personalized EFT tapping on anything going on in your life and more advice like this, I highly recommend checking out Spiritual Kick in the Ass. It is a 90-minute tough love and tapping session where we are going to get clear on what the heck you want out of this life. I'm going to lead you through a customized EFT tapping to get away any of those doubts or fears holding you back. And then we're going to create an aligned action plan together by, again, tapping into your future self and figuring out what is correct for you, but also really easy and fun. Something you need, the link to it is in the description below, and I'll see you next week for another Tap Tuesday.